Howdy folks, this is my 2007 SV650. I had a 18-inch Delkevic on there, but I almost ran off the road by a pickup truck who pulled up next to me and just cut right into my lane. And also a bicycle rider just kind of cut in front of me. He looked real quick but still went out into the middle of the lane. Didn't hear me, didn't see me. So I decided I needed to get a shorter muffler with a little bit more sound. So I got the 14-inch Delkevic. Pretty easy to install since the slip-on pipe was already on. I just took off the old 18-inch muffler and put on the 14. Used the same mounting bracket. So let's see how it sounds. Actually, it doesn't sound that loud. So I should have got this first. It's not that loud at all, but hopefully it provides more sound so folks can hear me. All right, here goes the demo.